Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can delete saved Google passwords. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now click on your Google account and select the preferable one. In my case, this one. Nextly, click on Autofill, then Autofill with Google and Passwords. Now click on one of your websites or apps that you wish to delete from Password Manager like Facebook. Enter your current login method and choose Delete next to Edit. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!